Python Flask, ORM, SQL Alchemy, API CRUD operation in the Postgres database. So initially, you will download and install Postgres software. After that, you will write a simple Python Flask program to perform complete CRUD operation, create, read, update, and delete operation in the Postgres database. So creation of complete API. So initially open a Chrome browser and then you will search Postgres. So download that Postgres software. So click on that menu download. So initially you can download the Postgres software. So for Windows. So here my machine is 64-bit. So version 14 for 64-bit. So you can download the install. Click on download the install. So for Windows machine 64-bit, I will download 14.4. Postgres 14.4. So the download which will be started, which is for 298 MB, which will take around 1 minute. So the Postgres is a database software. It's a relational database management system. Inside that you will create a database and then create table and perform basic queries. So for Postgres, we need IDE for typing SQL queries. So you can download the IDE called as pgadmin. So you can search Google and download pgadmin for Windows. So I will click on Windows and then download pgadmin. So initially I will download Postgres. After that I will download pgadmin for Windows version 4.6.11. So both the software is download is in progress. So please wait for a few seconds. So now PostgreSQL. So the download is in takes 1 second. Yes, download was completed. Once download was completed, just click on that file PostgreSQL, Postgres query language 14. Then press yes. So PostgreSQL installation was started. Now press next, again next, again next, again next. It will ask for username Postgres and then password. I will type same Postgres. Retype the password Postgres. So I will type username as Postgres, password also Postgres. The port number, default port number was 5432. I will take the default port number. Next, next, next. The installation is in progress. So please wait for a few more seconds. The Postgres software installation is in progress. So parallelly, the software pgadmin download is on progress. So Postgres as well as pgadmin. So Postgres for database, pgadmin for IDE for creating, managing the entire DBMS control. Wait for a few more seconds. So in this example, we are not creating any table. I am writing a Python Flask program. The program itself automatically create a table and then manage the content via API. So entire all those CRUD operation APIs are tested via Postman 2. Are tested via Postman 2. So wait for a few more seconds. So SQL Alchemy. SQL Alchemy. It's an object relational mapping. So ORM tool SQL Alchemy is one of the ORM tool which helps us to, without touching PostgreSDB, we are directly create a Python program to manage a database. So similar way, without writing a query, it automatically generate a SQL query. Yeah, just call a function, it automatically generate a SQL query. It's the greatest advantage of SQL Alchemy. Currently, many of the organization they are using SQL Alchemy for automatic API generation. So it automatically generate a API without writing any SQL queries. It's very much useful one. Now Postgres software installation is at most in completion stage. Parallelly, pgadmin software is also download is on progress. Please wait for 2 more seconds. So entire DB server is ready. So the port number was 5432. It's a local host machine. Then the username was Postgres and the password was Postgres. Now entire DB was created successfully. So wait for 2 more seconds. Yes, the installation was completed. There is no need for stack builder. So finish. Now we need IDE. So IDE for pgadmin. It's also in ready stage. Wait for 2 more minutes. pgadmin is an excellent IDE for handling PostgreSQL. So please wait for 60 seconds. So download is on progress. So Python Flask, ORM object relational mapping, SQL Alchemy is a ORM tool which used to without writing query, it automatically create API for CRUD operations for PostgreSDB. So Python Flask is an excellent web service package which used to create API for user service. So this is an excellent tool. It's one of the powerful framework in Python. Flask is one of the powerful framework. It's an open source tool too. So in 2 seconds, so pgadmin is completed. Yeah, yes. Now similar way, you can click on that software pgadmin. So install for all users. Yes. Then press next. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 install. So pgadmin installation is in progress. Please wait for a few more seconds. So wait for a few more seconds. pgadmin 4, version 4. This is the IDE for handling the excellent database management system. So finish and then go to start menu and pg admin 4. So open that software. Initial stage which will ask for master password for pg admin. So you can give a master password. So I will set the master password also same as Postgres. So pgadmin it is IDE, the IDE which asks a master password. You can set initially the first time or at the time of first opening, you can give a password for pgadmin IDE. So I will